Mutodi Neshehe's cause of death was revealed. Neshehe was well known for his role as Ndalamo Mukwevho on Muvhango and as Zola on Generations, The Legacy. The death of the actor has been confirmed by his family through a press statement. South African former soapy actor Mutodi Neshehe has passed away from pandemic-related complications. He was 46. It read, "It is with great sadness we announce the passing of Mutodi Neshehe on July 1, 2021. He was our brother, uncle, father, mentor, role model, and actor. He will be sorely missed by his family and close friends. He is survived by his wife and 2 daughters." Tributes from fans and friends on social media continue to pour in for the late actor. Award-winning presenter Perma Diadi tweeted, "This is heartbreaking. The pandemic has robbed kids of their father. Condolences to his family and friends. Rip Mutodi Neshehe." The news tweeted, "We has learnt with sadness the untimely passing of actor and businessman Mutodi Neshehe. He will be remembered for his professionalism and commitment to the craft. Condolences to his family, friends, and fans." Media producer Tops Nkwanasi said, "Hyper, what a talented, gorgeous young man. This is too much. What is happening on earth? Love and strength to his wife, family at large, close friends, and all who were touched by him. Perhaps the other side is truly better and more glorious. Go well." Yeah.